Hey, Titus Jones here at Fort Walton Beach, Florida at MarineMax. Today we're going to talk about the 160 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. I love this color blue on it. It also comes with a galvanized trailer. Moving on back here to the transom area, it has a 90 outboard Mercury motor. Also has a stainless steel ladder and a white powder coated ski tow bar. Up here in the cockpit towards the bow area, we got a storage box up here. We also have some grab rails recessed into the gunnels. We have some more storage here. Have a complimentary cooler right here for refreshments. Stainless steel. Turning wheel right here at the helm. RPM gauge. Binnacle there. And seating for 2 people. I'm Titus Jones, and if you want to look at this boat in person, come on down to see us here at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax.